Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to assign a custom DPI Cycle button on your Logitech G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse. So, first of all, you have to connect your mouse to your computer and open the G HUB application on it. Then open the mouse's menu. And now the sub-menu we're looking for on the sidebar is the assignment. And by default, our DPI Cycle is assigned to this button right here. But if we want to, we can change it to anything else. I don't know, to any system. For example, any system action like profile cycle within the G HUB. Then you're gonna have to click yes to apply this change. And now we can apply the DPI Cycle to any different key simply by going to System and then scrolling down until we find the DPI Cycle. Select this option and assign it to this key. And now we have this button responsible for DPI Cycle. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.